Hi everyone, these are the 4 structures that I've constructed for the earthquake-proof building for the Gear Up Challenge batch. This is my shake table that I'll be using to test my earthquake-proof building. As you can see, all of the structures have the same height, and these 3 from the structures look alike, but the sizes of the bases of the structures are different. And the structure with the larger base is expected to be more stable under earthquake. And this is a rectangular structure that I've created, and I added bracings on the structure to make it more stable. These are the bracings. Now let's try to see whether our structures are stable or not. This is the first structure that I will be testing on this shake table. As you can see, this structure is quite unstable due to its small base. This is the second structure that I will be testing on the shake table. As you can see, the structure is slightly more stable than our previous structure, and it doesn't topple. This is the third structure, but we won't be able to test it as its base is too big for our shake table. But it is expected to be more stable than our previous 2 structures. This will be our 4th and last structure that I will be testing on this shake table. It is quite stable than the previous ones due to its bracings that we put. Thank you everyone for watching my video.